Hi there, students. To instigate, or an instigator, the person who instigates. This means to incite, to urge or push someone forwards to committing an act, especially something bad. So it's to egg somebody on to do something that they shouldn't be doing. It's not always bad, but nearly always. He instigated the crowd to start throwing rocks at the security forces. I'm trying to instigate more discussion about this point. Okay, there you are in a neutral or even a positive way. I'm trying to get something to happen. But notice, nearly always it's negative. The new law instigated civil unrest among the population. So to instigate something, to make something happen by urging and encouraging others to do it. He instigated several bank robberies. He was probably the ringleader. He was the instigator. So to instigate, to provoke, to set in motion. Ruritania, theoretical country, was trying to instigate riots and instability in its neighbouring countries. There's always one kid in a class who instigates mischief among the others. You could instigate a crime, or to instigate somebody to commit a crime. So notice, you can instigate the action, the thing that happened. He instigated the riot. He instigated the people to riot. So both the thing and the people. The violence of what was supposed to be a peaceful demonstration was instigated by members of an opposing faction. So to instigate, to support, to push forward, to push other people into creating or doing something that they shouldn't do. So what about formality? I'd probably give this verb to instigate a 6.5 in formality. I think you probably could use it in an informal conversation. I think I might use to provoke or to egg on informally. It's certainly a good word for something semi-formal or very formal. Notice as well, to instigate is a regular verb. He instigated the violence. He has instigated many illegal acts. And next question, what about origin? Well, there's a Latin verb, instigare, to instigate. In and stigare, to push. So to push somebody into doing something. So to instigate, to urge or push somebody into committing a crime or something bad. Remember, you can use it positively, but it's unusual. So there we go, instigate. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To instigate.